Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use VHS filter on your photos and your videos, okay? So that being said, as you can see here, I'm currently using Microsoft Edge. If you want to use Google Chrome or any other browser of your choice, please do so. As long as you have access to the internet, that won't be any problem, okay? So the first thing you want to do is, of course, go to this landing page. It's going to be called vid.io, and how to arrive this one. Just search vid.io on the search bar right there. The very first result with this logo V right here, click on it. And once you arrive, it will automatically sign you up if you have an account. Now that being said, if you don't have an account, you can also use your Gmail or Facebook of your choosing. Just make sure if you choose Gmail, you have access to that email because they're going to send a verification code to it to create an account, okay? So, this should be the landing page if you have already created your account. Now let me just remove this one because this is my sample and I'll take you step by step, okay? So that being said, this is a new UI. They updated their website because before the create project button should be on the top right. So simply click on create project right there. Now give it a second to load. Now we're gonna start as a black canvas right here. And then simply click on media. This is just like a CapCut template or a CapCut platform. Just look for a media you wanna download. I'm gonna use this sample video I got from the internet. It's free actually. It's stock free. Now, once it's uploaded in your timeline, simply double click on the video and then look for on the left section this filters right here. Once you have it, hover your mouse on the effects section and you'll have VHS right here. Now you can adjust the how do you call this? The strength rather. If you want it to be like lower VHS effects or 100% VHS. It's really up to you guys, and with that, that's how you use VHS on your videos. This is actually a video, guys. Okay? If you want to use it in the photo, simply upload the photo here and click on the VHS. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.